I am on site this morning. It has been a lengthy couple weeks to get back to a little bit of regular programming, but I am in Powell River. I am gonna tour you through my parents' home in their renovation updates. It's coming along beautifully. The floors are going in right now, and there are a lot of updates that I think would be really fun to share with you. I gotta hurry up because the trades are arriving to get started laying more floor. So let's go in and check it out. Everything is looking so good already. The siding on the side of the house has gone back up with the new windows in. That looks incredible. Look at that. So nice. They don't know that this vinyl siding is their forever plan, but for now it's what's here and what works. Oh, here comes my dad. I beat him here. You can see they have put in new electrical for lighting that's coming. The flooring has gone in. It looks beautiful. This is a solid oak floor. They're taking their time because the pattern on it and the wood grain, it's just really important to get it looking really, really polished. You don't want to have tiger stripes in the pattern when you're laying it. So making sure that you're intentional with where every single board is going is just really important. The closets have their lights included. Wow, that makes such a big difference. Look how pretty that is. These will be sliding doors that when you open it, the whole closet just lights up like that. Let's take a peek in the bathroom. Oh, it's filled with stuff. It's with every single renovation I have been to. There's always one room that seems to collect all of the lighting and home accessories. These are stunning. So if you're looking to invest in something that makes a world of a difference to a wood floor renovation, these are white oak vent covers that are inlaid into the floor itself. And then they're getting a custom stain made to match the flooring itself. Dad was just saying they have a hole here that they've recessed so that all of the cords and all of the TV mounting mechanisms are going to be sunk into the wall itself, so that when you come and look at it from a distance, it'll just be a nice streamlined look with the black fireplace, a black TV that's set flat against the wall, and then the vent up above. And then they're putting built-in cabinet on either side. That is a nice little luxe touch that you could do yourself quite easily. This window made such a big difference. It's already just letting so much more light in, not to mention all of these windows now open. They never opened before, or they did, but they were broken, weren't they? Oh, neat. Check this out. That's what it's gonna look like. That's so cool. Wow, love that.
Yeah.
So lickety split.
I don't know, it's gonna look really, because it's just a cord will come up.
Just the cord.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Because we didn't want you can buy the flush draw plugs.
Yeah.
Right? But then every time you plug something into it, the plug sticks up.
Yeah.
And if you're gonna throw rubber over top of it or whatever, this way it won't matter.
It won't matter. Do you have like a little plug that you put down into the hole part?
Well, let's cut a hole.
Yeah.
Let's stick the plug down in there.
What's that for? Oh, that's going inside the built-in.
But that was for the top light that goes in that unit, and that is for the under counter lights that go in those units.
Cool.
That made it go off. Those ones go off around with that switch, and this one, that one goes off around with this switch over here.
So this part here is built-in cabinetry. It's got a wrought iron front to it and essentially is lit by puck lighting. And so what my dad's done, instead of having to tear open all the drywall and renovate all the wiring in the house, he's simply added these plugs sitting on top of the cabinet, and then the crown is going to go around and cover it. But what it does is it gives the electrician easy access for the lighting. So the entry and the laundry room is looking really polished. All of the illuminated closets have been installed. You can see they look so gorgeous. So this is going to be a washing machine in this one, and this is going to be their entry closet for all of their coats and shoes and things. Originally, you went through this area here into the guest bedroom, and they shifted the door over, and now you go through this side into the guest bedroom, which is this massive room. And it also has an illuminated closet. All of the closets are illuminated. If you're gonna do a luxe touch, that is also a very easy thing to do for a big impact. I mean, look at that. It's just like all lit up over there. So this is where me and John and the kids are gonna come and essentially crash when we come to Powell River to visit. And it's big enough that they're gonna put a nice king-size bed in there and have a fold-out couch with a whole TV center so that this whole wing of the house is just ready to accept chaos and they don't have to have toys and bags spilling with clothes all over their house. The kitchen is also looking really good. It is huge now. They're going to reorient the peninsula to be coming off of the front wall. No, wait a second. It was on the front wall and it's going to be coming off of the back wall. You can see the lighting here that's going to be above the peninsula. But this kitchen became huge, absolutely massive. Obviously, it's going to get smaller again once the cabinets all go in, which is happening early September. Very exciting. Cabinetry going in is one of the most exciting parts of any renovation.
Against the yellow.
It's so white.
It looks doggy, really doggy.
I mean, you could just make it a white house.
Yeah, but we're not doing that. So I ordered this as close as I could get to that color because it's faded. I'll take the rest back.
You gotta take it back. Where are you gonna get yellow siding then?
When we were over in Home Depot, they had you have to order it, but they had a whole thing set up with colors and what's all available. I went online and ordered it online.
Oh, nice.
And it gets delivered for free.
Perfect.
It's supposed to come today.
So my dad was just saying that they tried to color match the outside of the house because this whole section of the house didn't exist before, and obviously the existing siding doesn't stretch to cover it. So they went to a local place to get the siding to match, and this is the closest color they could come to, which is a white, obviously. But next to the yellow, it just doesn't work. Like, it makes the whole rest of the house look really dodgy. So they've actually ordered a whole custom kit from Home Depot that matches this yellow siding. So they're gonna just wrap it around. And that kind of answers my question earlier when I was asking if they were planning to keep all of the vinyl siding. So apparently they are, which is, I mean, vinyl siding lasts forever. It's not a terrible idea. It is looking so good. I'm amazed with how fast they've been able to put this whole project together. All of the finishes are coming together. All of the scheduling for this project has also just been really streamlined. I've never seen a kitchen company come in and do a whole kitchen in one fell swoop in the amount of time that it has taken them. They've done a lot of this renovation. Just my dad is here every day and my mom. The two of them together have done a lot of this project DIY, but they do have help. They've got a lovely gentleman named Graham who comes and helps and does all sorts of things with them, so it does help the progress move along. That is a nice tip for anyone taking on a renovation. You don't always need to hire specific trades all around. Sometimes, depending on where you live, you can hire one person that's kind of a jack of all trades that comes in and helps you when you need help. It's not the easiest thing to hire for because people with their own scheduling and their own professions that generally like to take on a whole project because they can map out their income and their schedules for their family and things like that. But that being said, if you do live in a place where you can find a professional that's really good at what he does, it makes all the difference to let your budget stretch a little bit further. But also, my parents love to do this kind of thing. They want to get their hands dirty. They want to be invested in their project, and to get somebody on board that really loves that aspect of home renovations and wants you to succeed by stepping in when you need the help is just like the best combination. It is a very enjoyable way to do a renovation. I am getting back to regular programming this week. We took a family holiday back east to Ontario to visit family, and then while we were away, unfortunately, our senior Labrador Harlow had to be put down, which just like, I don't want to get into it because I don't want to cry in front of all of you, but I appreciate the break and I'm ready to get back into work. Just keep it nice and tidy. Anybody with a lab, I mean, you all know it's just like, it's the worst day. You pick up this tiny little floof of a puppy and you just spend your whole darn life loving that thing. And I just wish with all my heart that you could pick one dog and have them for your entire life. What a selfish concept. Gosh, what a gift dogs are. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. I feel like I've said that 10 times now, but it's never ending. I just am so appreciative of the community that is being built here on YouTube and across social platforms. You guys have just been incredible in every aspect of life and business and sharing my story online. So thank you for being here. If you've enjoyed this video, I'm gonna link the video that tours this exact space. I think it was about 2 months ago I did a walkthrough of this house when it was all torn to pieces. So if you're interested in this type of home renovation progress video, I'm gonna put a card up here. Go check it out. And don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. It's where I share a lot of the ongoing day-to-day things about life and business and behind the scenes of my family. Until then, let's go watch this next video together.